Canada strikes gold at Canoe Sprint World Cup. Team Canada defeats Russia in OT, advances to semis at Men's Hockey World's 3 medals for Canada on the final day of the Diving Grand Prix in Calgary. Canadian divers win 5 medals at Diving Grand Prix in Calgary. Game Plan. Smith School of Business helps athletes go back to school. Game Plan. Morneau Shepell makes mental health services accessible to athletes. Team Canada's 2018 Olympians received their Olympic rings. RBC Training Ground names Manitoba and Saskatchewan top performer Abel and Nimbo de Lac. Land second straight World Series Mixed Synchro Gold Athlete Spotlight. Justin Cripps Diving World Series Synchro Bronze for Ben Fado. Ben Fado and Jean Bormer at Diving World Series in Montreal. Bronze for Crocker and Myers at Mixed Doubles Curling World Synchro. Silver for Abel and Citrini Beaulieu at Diving World Series in Montreal. Crocker